I want to tell you everything you need to know about a repair hair transplant procedure. I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, a Los Angeles hair transplant surgeon. I would like to go over repair hair transplant surgery and what's involved and how it's done. So, repair hair transplant procedure. We do repair procedure for a variety of different reasons. Sometimes because people use old method hair transplant, they put pluggy hairline in front. Sometimes they don't put enough hair, so we have to add more density. Sometimes they have a scar that we have to remove the scar. But most of the time is that the artistic touch is missing. So in this patient, he's an adult Caucasian with class 6 or close to 7, like complete baldness on top, that they give him a very low hairline, so it's not looking good even on a normal person, let alone somebody who's losing everything on the top, and now they end up with a juvenile hairline that looks ridiculous. So we ended up removing all these hairs in front and pushing the hairline higher, and at the same time, because the hairline that was created before, they had 3s and 4s in front, we had to put some single hairs in front of it to make it nice and soft and natural looking. So this is a patient with class 6 or 7 of baldness that the whole hair on top is gone, and then you see a patch of hair in front with a very low laying hairline. So we had to remove hair, make it more mature, to go hand in hand with a big balding or thinning area that we may never be able to completely make it perfect. So by removing this, you're going to use those hairs and we're going to restore more hair. We're going to put more hair in those gutters that are getting emptier and then build up on the back and keep going back using his own scalp hair. For some areas in the back, in the future, we probably have to use beard to a scalp hair transplant. So with one procedure, we cleaned up this whole frontal area. We brought the hairline higher on a more natural and like a mature hairline that we expect to see in a Caucasian. And then we are coming back for another procedure. He had an old hair transplant. They put a few plugs on the temples that looks ridiculous because it's a thick hair at the middle of this big area that don't have any other hair. So we're going to restore this area with full density. We're going to add a little bit more density to the front of hairline, and we put more hair into to those corners. We're going to go after this big area and put a good number of grafts, probably something around 1,000 grafts to fill the whole area. Last procedure, we filled those areas on the side because he was combing from right to side and right to left. And now we want to add more density and more foundation so it won't be looking like a comb over, and he looks like he has full head of hair. I hope you learned from this video, and if you want to learn more and learn more about the updates in hair restoration field, please make sure you follow us and put your questions in the comment section and we'll get back to you.